So today we are talking about number 9. If your date of birth is 9, 18 or 27 of any month, then your number is 9. And this video is the last of my series which I started from number 1. So now finally we reached the number 9, which is the last number, and these 1 to 9, all these numbers are the basis of all the systems of numerology, and in fact all the systems of calculations you need these basic 9 numbers. That's why they are very important, and they are connected to 9 planets. And once we know the attributes of those planets, you can easily know the attributes of the number. So number 9 is connected with the planet Mars, which is Mangal. And Mangal, just like Sunny, has a bad reputation to it. But trust me, Mangal is also a very good planet. Without Mangal, there is no Mangal in your life. Mangal is, there is no prosperity and there is no prosperous activity, because Mars is our courage. Mars signify how much courage we have. It signify how much passion we have towards anything. So without courage, without, and it also up to some extent signify our desires. So if you don't have a good number 9 in your life, if your number 9 is not functioning well, then you will lack the desires to pursue your dreams. That's why number 9 is also your willpower and how much courage you have to do what you want to do. That's why if you have a good Mars in your horoscope also, that means you will definitely follow your dreams and you will have the courage to follow them. But if you don't have a good Mars, and if your Mars is debilitated or somehow affected by some negative planets, then you will take a lot of time to pursue your goals. So if you need a good Mars, and 9 is the number of Mars. So when we talk about Mars, that is Mangal, मंगल के साथ दो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें जुड़ी हुई होती है जो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. मंगल, एक तरफ आप इसको, मंगल सेनापति है, लाइक द सोल्जर. तो आप इसको दो तरीके से देख सकते हैं कि मंगल के पास वो पैशन है, वो करेज है, वो एग्रेशन है. सो दे हैव एंगर इश्यूज ऑल्सो, बट दे हैव द करेज टू सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ for someone they love, for country, and for those higher ideals. They can do something like that ki they can sacrifice their life. So that is too extreme, because Mars people are the number 9 people, have that tendency that they really care for their people. They are very caring, very protective. They really love their people and they will go to any extent to help their own people. But at the same time they will have anger issues, and because of that anger issues they become volatile and it's difficult to handle them, because they can go from 0 to 10 in any moment. So you don't know how to deal with them. That's why they are unpredictable in the sense, because Mars is a planet, you cannot easily predict its movement. अदर प्लैनेट्स के मूवमेंट्स आप बहुत इजीली प्रिडिक्ट करते हो, एक फिक्स्ड टाइप ऑफ होता है, लेकिन मार्स का जो रेट्रोग्रेशन मूवमेंट भी है एंड अदर थिंग्स भी है, वो इतना इजीली आप प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर पाते हो. दैट्स वाई मार्स इज ए अनप्रिडिक्टेबल प्लैनेट एंड इट्स ए रेड हॉट प्लैनेट. सो नंबर 9 पीपल हैव ऑल दोज थिंग्स कि दे रियली केयर फॉर द पीपल, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू बी विद देम. And I will talk more about it when I go to the cards. For numerologically, this is important that Mars is the significator of number 9. So if you can understand Mars, you can understand number 9. And number 9 is a humanitarian number. Humanitarian means they can really help people. They are very good in doing community work. They can really extend their help to everybody around them. But at the same time, because they have that aggression issues, it's not easy to deal with them. And when they help someone, they want the respect, and sometimes of course no one gets the respect even if you help other people. So that expectation creates trouble in number 9 life. If you are a number 9, you help people but you expect nothing in return, and you will just do it just because you like to help, then you will be a happy person. But if you want anything in return, if you want the other person to reciprocate your efforts, then you will be very angry and always be irritated with other people. So now we go tarotically what happens. Tarotically number 9 is the Hermit, and this Hermit is as you can see, it doesn't look like any aggressive or those kind of mentality in this card. You cannot see, ये ऐसा क्यों है? बिकॉज हर्मिट का मतलब होता है कि इट इज़ द यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग. सो नंबर 9 पीपल आर ऑलवेज सर्चिंग फॉर ट्रूथ and they are searching for something and something is missing in their life, because number 9 is the last number. So in the number sequence you can see कि once you start the journey from number 1 you go to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then when you reach number 9 you have seen the world. just like जैसे Pisces के लिए बोला जाता है कि Pisces is the last zodiac sign. So Pisces ने सब कुछ देखा हुआ है, मे बी इन देयर प्रीवियस लाइफ्स ऑल्सो. सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, उनको आप एक्साइट नहीं कर सकते कोई भी चीज़ से. सिमिलरली नंबर 9 आर ऑल्सो लाइक दैट कि दे हैव सीन द लाइफ, दे हैव लिव्ड द लाइफ, लेकिन समथिंग इज मिसिंग एंड दैट मिसिंग पार्ट दे आर सर्चिंग फॉर. दे आर सर्चिंग फॉर देयर ओन सेल्फ. दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज मिसिंग इन देयर लाइफ, बिकॉज 9 के बाद 10 आता है एंड 10 इज द कंप्लीट नंबर. So everybody is looking for that completion, that wholeness that comes with the 10. We all want 10 in our life. So when you are in 9, then you have a like more desperation because you are already there. You are already there, but then something is missing. Only 1% is missing, and that makes you more desperate and more difficult to like content. So you are not able to be content easily because you are always looking for that one, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि 99 का फेर. That 99 का फेर is very clearly felt in the number 9 people because उनको हमेशा वो एक चीज़ के पीछे वो लोग रहते हैं and वो एक चीज़ बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती है मिलनी. तो हर्मिट के साथ हमको है कि हर्मिट इज द कार्ड, दे आर सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग एंड दे आर ऑल्सो सर्चिंग फॉर सम स्पिरिचुअल ट्रूथ एंड दे लव टू गाइड अदर पीपल because they have seen the world, they have seen the life, so they want to guide others. They have already reached to a point and they want other also to come there. So they are always helping other, they are always guiding other people. And then we get the shadow card, that is the moon. The moon, because Mars and 9 के साथ courage आता है, the moon gives the fear because courage and fear are the two sides of the same coin. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि when if your 9 is good, if you have a very good well functioning number 9 in your Lossu grid also, then you will have courage. But if your 9 is not functioning well, your Mars is not good in your horoscope, you will have fear issues. You will be fearful about everything. You will have anxiety and you will don't know how to handle any problems in the life. So that will make you more like a scared cat. Like आपको हमेशा डर लगता रहेगा, you don't know, and बहुत सारी because you can see the आप देख सकते हो कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है, तो उसको लेके आप हमेशा वरीड रहोगे, आप हमेशा एंक्सियस रहोगे. तो दैट्स ऑल्सो द शैडो साइड ऑफ नंबर 9 कि दे आर टू कॉशियस and they don't want to take risk. Either they are very good at taking risk, either they don't want to take risk. There is always two sides of the number 9 because in every number you can see that if it is functioning well, you have the qualities. If it is not functioning well, you have the bad effect of the number 9, bad effect of that planet. So if you have a good Mars, you are very good in communication, you have good passion, like you know how to deal with your passion. But if you don't have a good Mars, then you will be aggressive and you will also be fearful. Either you are aggressive or you are very fearful, you don't know how to pursue your goals. So that is how number 9 people act. So now I go to the minor arcana to show you the more about number 9. So number 9, you get 9 of wands. So 9 of wands, again the cautious, because they are very cautious. They have seen the life, they have in the past they may have bad experiences. तो वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बाउंड्रीज उनके बहुत अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग रखते हैं बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि इफ़ आई लेट अदर पर्सन इन आई विल गेट हर्ट. तो दैट्स वाई दे आर वेरी डिफेंसिव. उनको लगता है कि मैं पहले से ही खुद को सेव करके रखूँ. So they always, but of course always they always take care of their own people. So they will come forward and fight, but they will let their people stand behind and help them, protect them. So they are very protective and also very defensive, but at the same time they are very cautious, which is a good thing because फिर आप बहुत ध्यान रखते हो हर चीज़ का, because आपको लगता है prevention is better than cure. So that is what number 9 people can do. Then you have 9 of swords. जैसे मैंने बोला कि they have anxiety issues because of this moon. So they have this anxiety. वो लोग बहुत कुछ सोचते रहते हैं and बहुत सारे thoughts उनको परेशान करते हैं. And because Mars is also connected with everybody and Mars has that humanitarian nature, so उनको बहुत affect करता है कि लोगों ने उनके बारे में क्या बोला. एंड उसी वजह से वो लोग काफ़ी हद तक परेशान रहते हैं, बिकॉज ज़रूरी नहीं है कि लोग आपके लिए अच्छा ही बोलेंगे, तो आप उन चीज़ों से बहुत परेशान हो जाते हो कि किसी ने मुझे क्या बोला, तो दैट इज़ वेयर यू गेट स्टक. And then you get nine of cups. Nine of cups is again a very good card. It indicates कि number 9 people are very well to do up to some extent. वो लोग काफ़ी अच्छा करते हैं लाइफ में, काफ़ी अच्छा उनके पास शो करने के लिए होता है कि they have reached certain level. But हाँ, again something is missing. That is one missing point. The number 9 people have to understand कि what is that. Because number 9 के साथ थोड़ा सा प्लस में आता है कि they have everything, they enjoy their life. माइनस में आता है कि they have a show off tendency. मतलब जो भी उनके पास है, दे वॉन्ट टू शो ऑफ एंड दे वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक यस सी मी, आई एम लाइक दिस. सो वो एक उनका नेगेटिव क्राइटेरिया है. लेकिन पॉजिटिवली दे आर, yes, they are content and they have achieved something in their life. And then we get 9 of pentacles. Again, you reach towards you reach your destination. Something is missing, but yes, you have reached, you have set your goals and you have reached everything, you have accomplished, you have something in your hand, you are established. So 9 of Pentacle is showing that comfort, that luxury, because आपके पास efforts है, you do efforts because of Mars. तो आप efforts करते हो, आप उसके अपने fruits of labor आपको मिलते हैं, लेकिन still that one thing is missing. And that what is that one thing? What is that one thing that is missing? See, 9 के बाद आता है 10, and 1 and 9 are very good with each other because 1 complement the 9 and they are very good friends, because 1 is sun, that is king, and Mars is Mangal, that is सेनापति. So सूर्य सेनापति और राजा का एक कनेक्शन होता है कि राजा को सेनापति की ज़रूरत होती है और सेनापति को भी राजा की ज़रूरत होती है. सेनापति खुद से कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. तो दैट्स वाई 1 and 9 पीपल बॉन्ड वेरी वेल, दे मेक ए गुड टीम. तो वहाँ पे अभी मिसिंग क्या है? मिसिंग ये है कि नंबर 9 पीपल, अगर उनका 9 अच्छे से फंक्शन करेगा, दे विल बिकम ह्यूमैनिटेरियन, दे विल बिकम कम्युनिटी ओरिएंटेड एंड दे विल हेल्प पीपल. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ मिसिंग इन देयर लाइफ. अगर आप 9 हो और आप सेल्फिश मोटिव्स में रहते हो, खुद के बारे में आप सोचोगे, यू विल बी दुखी. लेकिन अगर आप 9 हो एंड यू आर रियली हेल्पिंग अदर पीपल, यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी, बिकॉज दैट इज़ द मिसिंग लिंक इन योर लाइफ एंड दैट विल मेक यू हैप्पी. आप हेल्प करिए लेकिन एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखिए किसी से, बिकॉज आपका काम ही है हेल्प करना. दूसरे आपको रेस्पेक्ट दें नहीं दें, दूसरे ने आपको एक्नॉलेज किया नहीं किया, वो आपको नहीं सोचना है. तो दैट इज़ व्हेन यू विल बी हैप्पी. अदरवाइज आपके में वो डिससेटिस्फेक्शन और वो एग्रेशन रह जाएगा हमेशा. तो अगर आप नंबर 9 हो तो आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप सर्विस में जुट जाइए, लोगों की आप सेवा करिए, अपने घर वालों की सेवा करिए, कम्युनिटी की सेवा करिए, देश की सेवा करिए. बिकॉज मार्स एट द एंड वही करता है. सेनापति का काम ही होता है कि देश की रक्षा करना और देश के लिए अपना सब कुछ छोड़ देना. तो इफ़ यू डेवलप दैट थिंग इन योर लाइफ, यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. Otherwise you may have some issues. So that's all for number 9.